Hello everyone, this is Michael Rowe. I'm the Microsoft Student Partner for Texas State University. Today I've got a couple tips and tricks for you. My focus will be security features of Windows 7. The first thing I'll be talking about today is BitLocker. BitLocker gives you the ability to encrypt all the data on your hard drives. Now this is particularly important if you have sensitive information and need to put a passcode to enable people or to disclude people from viewing that information. This is really important with laptops, especially for business. If something were to get stolen, no one could retrieve your information. Now there is one requirement for your computer to use this, and that is called a TPM chip, Trusted Platform Module. Now this does come standard with a lot of business class laptops, and it just helps perform that encryption on that hard drive. In order to start the BitLocker application, you would go to Start and Computer, and you would find the hard drive that you wanted the encryption to be on. You can right-click on it and turn on BitLocker. Now, unfortunately, I do not have the TPM security device, so I will be unable to show you the rest of it. But what I can say is that it does give you a pretty solid encryption format, as it's going to be 128-bit key in the AES encryption. So it will be a pretty hardy encryption. Another cool thing added to Windows 7 is the problem step recorder. Now we've all run into problems that we can't solve by ourselves, and it is hard to communicate either through text or through speech to the person who's trying to help us. So Windows has created a little graphical thing for us. In order to get to that, we can hit problem step recorder, PSR, in the search, and if we search for that, we get the problem step recorder. Now how this works is we just hit start. Now what we do is we can just work through our problem and it will create a synopsis for us. So if our problem involved going to start, paint, and making it bigger, and using our brush, it's going to record all that for us. So let's just stop the recording and save it to our desktop, and we'll take a look at it here. Another cool thing is it goes ahead and saves it into a zip file for us. That way it'll be easy to send over the net. So let's go ahead and unzip that. Take a look at it. And as you can see, it outlines everything that we did and how the steps, or it outlines everything you did and the steps we took to get to that problem. It's a really neat tool here for troubleshooting. Before I go, I just wanted to mention Microsoft Security Essentials. Now this is a free antivirus that Windows has developed and will be available for Windows 7. It does a great job. As far as I'm concerned with this and safe browsing habits, there's no need for a paid version of any antivirus. I definitely recommend that you check it out. Well, thanks for listening and have a great day.